Hello guys, welcome to Dreamcatcher Girl. If you don't know me, my name is Shweta. I would love if you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today is a World Environment Day. On the basis of that, today's video is all about the plants. Here is my window view and of course my plants. I got so many requests for a language, so it will be like English, Hindi and आपली Marathi. Do watch this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel and thank you for the support. Basically, my plants got badly damaged due to last month's heavy rainfall. You can see this plant. There is another one, but here is a new hope. So I am happy about that. So on the next day, I decided to buy some new plants. I feel so happy whenever I visit to the nursery. And also, my old plants love to hang out with the new ones. See these beautiful plants and colorful flowers. So I end up with buying two plants, hibiscus and jasmine. Usually, I do the repotting after 2 or 3 days. It helps plants to settle down in some different climate. But I don't have much time after 2 or 3 days, so I am going to transfer the plants on the same day. So here we are going to see a repotting of jasmine as well as a hibiscus plant. Also here I have fenugreek seeds, that is methi, coriander seeds, tomato and chili. Here I have this pot with full of mitti. फर्स्ट मैं इस पॉट को पूरा एम्प्टी करने वाली हूँ. Now cut the plastic and start transferring the plant into the pot. प्लांट के साथ ही काफ़ी मिट्टी है, सो आई डोंट थिंक एक्स्ट्रा की ज़रूरत लगेगी. Make sure that pot has a holes on the bottom of it. नाव आय विल सजेस्ट टॉप पार्टमध्ये जी काही माती आहे त्याला थोडं फ्री करून घ्या, म्हणजे थोडंसं उकरून घ्या. लास्ट टाइमच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं माझ्याकडे एक ऑर्गॅनिक फर्टिलायझर आहे, सो आताही मी तेच यूज करणार आहे. So now I am adding some organic fertilizer. It helps in a healthy growth of your plant. You can use organic fertilizer after every 2 months. Now add some mitti on the top of it. Here your jasmine plant is ready. I have done repotting of hibiscus plant in the same manner. Add fertilizer, put some mitti on it and of course a water. Now I have these two pots. I bought this for experiment purpose and basically I got this for almost 10 rupees. So for the first pot, we are going to take out some chili seeds. It is a red chili, not the dry one. These are the chili seeds. Put them into the pot and add some mitti. One thing you have to make sure is that larger the seed, more you have to place them down into the soil. Cover the seeds with the soil so that birds cannot easily take them out. So now I have tomato. I am going to cut it into the slices. I will suggest take middle slices. Now put them into the soil as per your pot size. Here I have small pot, so only two slices. Cover it with the soil, add some water and observe the growth. Now I have pot for fenugreek seeds. Place them on the top of the soil. Make sure larger the seed, more you have to dip down into the soil. Now the coriander seeds. First crush the seeds properly and then place them into the soil. Now here I have a money plant. I'm a big fan of it. You can see the growth also. Now I am going to cut one branch of money plant and going to place that into another pot. In the same manner, you can add number of money plants at your home and of course without spending any extra bucks. So here I have a cute little pot. Here are the number of branches. Simply cut it down and place it into the another pot. And of course sufficient amount of water is very necessary for your plants. Proper exposure of sunlight, sufficient amount of water and organic fertilizers. These are the things which help your plant to grow. Here is the view of my another window. See the results after 3 or 4 days. Here are the fenugreek seeds and of course the end results. I don't know why the birds don't want me to grow the fenugreek seeds. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and I hope you are going to plant a tree. Let me know if you have any suggestion, any comments in the comment section. Stay happy and stay safe. Thank you everyone.